Actually, today is really a boring day. I expect more, but most of them can't move much. Okay, so actually HARTA is like what I mentioned in the updated in the group. After it reaches 220, or the resistance I mentioned is 218 and 220, right? So it hits 220. After that he just slams down. So I think it's going into a retracement, a small retracement. So let's see if he's able to hold above here, right here, this area. If we can hold above here, we can see it going up again. Maybe, like I said, to even 260 or 250 right here, this area. Like I said, it won't be a smooth sail. It will go up and down, up and down, up and down. But eventually, there's a higher chance for him to reach 2.5 to 2.6 because of the COVID cases from China all around the world. It's coming back. There are news coming back. So yeah, they might take this chance to distribute and push it up. So for today, it will need to go back into green to prove that it still can move in the afternoon. If it can't go back into green, then I think it's over for today. So you need to see it going back to green first before you make any decisions, so that you won't catch a falling knife. Okay, so like I said, for the gloves, although HARTA has gone into a retracement, gone into red, but Tim Glove and Supermax haven't yet. So if they ever go into red, then just don't touch it first. Wait them to rebound into green, and then you see some buying volume or buying momentum. You need to see the buying volume and momentum before you get in any positions. So actually for CAREPLS, it's really strong. I did get in at around 48 cents, but I tipped it too early. I did not expect it can go up like this crazy. Right now, CAREPLS has not retraced back much yet. So for CAREPLS, its support is at around 48, around 49 cents, and then it's 48 cents. So for the resistance, it's 550 and 50. So these are the few supports and resistance, the price that we need to monitor for today. Okay, this is for CAREPLS. So for SWSCAP, this one actually broke out around 28 cents, but I'm not sure why. I think the momentum is not, the volume is definitely there, but I'm not sure why they sell it down like that. In my mind, it's supposed to go further up to around 30 cents with the Hex team. I mean, Hexcare, Hexstar, and Hex Industry. So this is also one of the Mr. Ong's stock. So yeah, I'm still looking at it. Let's see if he can sustain above 27 cents, and then let's see the second session, if he can push it up. So the supports and resistance. So for SWSCAP, the resistance is actually at around 0.28, which he has already broken. But right now, I'm not sure if he would do another heavy refilling right there. But he already pulled out all of the sellers already. So from 28 cents all the way to 30 cents, all of it is 5-digit sellers, 10K lots or above. I'm not sure why he want to do that. There's few scenarios. So first of the scenario is he wanted to block. He don't want to let you guys to push it up. So this is the first scenario. And then the second scenario is he might want to try to push and distribute his tickets along the way and creating volume. So these are the two scenarios that might happen, but we don't know which one would happen yet until it has happened. So again, 28 cents breaking out point, it slammed back down, and then right now we will look at 28 cents again. So next session, I will be monitoring SWSCAP. And one more thing that I'm looking at is beta. So for beta, look at the graph right here. So this graph is actually a big red selling candle, and then it's a doji, and then if this closing candle is green, then it's good. It might be a trend reversal kind of candle pattern. So looking at 1 hour, it kind of looks like it's kind of bottoming. There's a kind of bottoming sign at around 57 cents right here, but it still needs to break out at 61 cents. Bottoming sign at around 57 cents. So what we are looking at is a breakout at 61 cents and then close high above for a trend reversal, for possible trend reversal. So I hope that there has something, there's something to play with better, because it has dropped and then it's bottoming, and then the seller are slowing down, the seller are slowly reducing, and then the buyer are kind of stepping up right now. So let's see what is he trying to do, because right now the market depth is not what I used to monitor. You can see that its market depth, it's really thick. From previously, from the first day of IPO, it's like below than 5,000 lots, maybe 6,000 or even 4,000. Now it's every price is 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10K lots, 10K lots, 10K lots. So what I monitor is right now he's supporting at around 60 cents. So right there, I'll maybe monitor for breakout, maybe at 61 cents if he's able to break out. So for the next session, I'll also look at beta. Okay, so actually today it's quite a boring day. I think only morning has something to play. It's mainly selling off our shares. For example, like TANCO, we just got out. I'm not sure how many of you guys got out, but around here 365. I originally wanted to wait around 385 to 395 the price, but eventually it hits 375 and then slams all the way back down, and then it's a heavy refilling area. So heavy refilling of seller. That's why I just TP 365 half when it pumps up. So this is that is my first TP, and then the other half is when he can't pass through 375 and then slams all the way back down. So yeah, 365. If you guys ask me if TANCOs is over, I'm not sure, but I think it's not over yet. Why? Because it's still holding above 35 cents. And 355, it's churning at 355 around this area. So let me check how many volume did he do. Okay, so he did the most at 355. Okay, so here he keeps on churning right here. So actually 355 is the right now he's not distributing but churning, maybe distributing along the way, but he's definitely doing his thing at 355. So we can't do anything unless he push it up further. So but right now let him do his thing first and then wait for a clearer movement. So take profit for TANCO, and then the next one should be CUSCAPI, where I mentioned to get out around 0.25, half of the positions, because I know that it's slow. It's really, really slow despite of the surge in volume. That's why I decided to get out first, maybe half, and then another half, maybe wait for a while. Other than that, there's nothing much actually. Hi guys, it's Zach here. If you like my videos and want more contents like this, click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and trade well.